hear you in the study, low light bleeding through the blinds, dust in the air like frozen time. Every word we never said still hangs somewhere inside my chest. I trace your ghost across the room, in every shadow, every hue. Your silence louder than a scream, a fading echo in between. I've been drifting through the sound, city hearts but no one's found. Try to drown you out in waves, but you're the rhythm that remains. And I find you through the noise, every broken frequency, in the spaces of my voice. You come back to me when the world turns into blur and the night won't let me sleep. Through the static and the hurt, you still reach for me. Glitching frames of what we were, fragments lost but never gone. Your reflection in the dark, like a spark I'm holding on. I've been chasing distant lights through electric empty nights. Every stranger feels the same, just a silhouette of your name. All the signals that I break still bend back to your wavelength. Even time can't interfere when your memory's this clear. And I find you through the noise, every broken frequency, in the spaces of my voice. You come back to me when the world turns into blur and the night won't let me sleep. Through the static and the hurt, you still reach for me. If I let the silence in, would it wash away your skin, or just pull me deeper down to the place we can't be found? I don't know where you begin or where I lost everything, but in every fading tone, you're the signal pulling home. Still I find you through the noise, through the chaos, through the grief, in the trembling of my voice. You're the only thing I keep when the lights all disappear and there's nothing left of me. Through the static loud and clear, you're still reaching through the noise. I hear you, I still hear